For any public content, YouTube videos, articles, tips, bytes, you can use Google, of course, but you can also use the command line. And I actually recommend that because it can be faster, although I'm really biased towards the command line. But what you want to do is get up and running with pipx. So I would recommend install pipx, which is a useful library to get some of these tools and dependencies installed globally, so not just pertaining to one virtual environment. So first go get pipx. We have a video on that, which I can link below. And then I would do pipx install Pybites Search. And then it should make an alias called search. And then you can just type search. And then you can search for different types of content. So for example, if I want to search for articles on Fast API, case insensitively, then that works. Don't worry that the links here are truncated. If I use command or control click, the full URL should open in your browser. Of course, I'm also in a minimized window. If I would expand it, then you would see the full URL. But that should still work. That's related to how the rich library displays those tables. Another example is search byte on performance. A couple of those. And I can also look for podcast, for example, search podcast, and we had the creator of Fast API on there. So Sebastian Ramirez, maybe there's an accent. Yeah, Sebastian. There's an accent on the A. So it might, wonder if that works well with Unicode. It does. Okay. So yeah, that's how I would search for a podcast. And you can also search for tips and videos. I think the videos are very useful. For example, there's a video on decorators. And we can also look for tips on either tools. So we have a lot of content, and this little command line tool, which you can just pip install or pipx install, makes it faster to find content.